In this video, I'm going to show some example prompts from STEM education, things that STEM teachers might use in high school or college, for example. I'm taking the position that a STEM classroom is a STEM workplace for the person being the instructor, like me. Um, I'm just collecting some various examples here. I found a training called AI 101 for Teachers from code.org. I think it's a trustworthy organization, but I'm not actually a fan of some of the use cases. I think some of the things they're suggesting you could use AI for really should be better just done by a human. I'm showing them more to show how some people are thinking using AI rather than as things we should definitely imitate. There's a link here to the set of slides, but I'll go show it real quick. And it has some starter prompts, create a rubric for a poster series, write a letter of reference. I'm not a fan of using AI to write letters of reference. Um, Now this one, what are the top 5 misconceptions or developing conceptions a student new to coding might have about this one topic? Um, I wouldn't necessarily trust that it's giving me the best 5, but at least it would give me 5 that I could think about and say, well, this one maybe I'm not so worried about. Oh yeah, I better focus on that one. So I could use my human judgment on what it gives me. Provide 3 different potential examples that a student might write at different quality levels. Again, I could use my judgment as a trained teacher to think about that, for example. Um, uh, let's see, summarize an email. You should remember that it might get the summary wrong. So lots of other prompts in there. Another document I found, AI hacks for educators, seems to come from reasonably reliable sort set of professors. Um, Here's the cover of the book, and they have like 50 sample LLM prompts. You can see basically it's, a few sentences. We don't need to dwell on each one, but it's kind of giving a role for the AI to play and some context, and then telling it what to do. So generally good practices, and we'll talk more about those in the next video. Um, and then a really interesting one, a document from Malik and Malik. And if we take a look at how long the prompts that they are suggesting are, um, so it's saying, because here's one long prompt. Um, yeah, it just surprised me how long their prompts were. So it just opens my horizons as well. Maybe I should be writing prompts that long. Maybe I don't have time to write prompts that long. But a prompt doesn't just have to be a paragraph or a sentence, I guess is the main lesson on that one.